Hello guys, welcome back to the universe of TechHub. In this tutorial, we will learn about control structures in JavaScript. When explaining a control structures in JavaScript or any programming language audience, it's an important to break down the concepts. In first, we need to learn what are the control structures in JavaScript and why there is importance. First, we learn what is control structures. Start by defining what control structures are. Explain that they are constructs that control the flow of the execution. Control structures means it controls the flow of the execution in a program based on certain conditions. The purpose of the control structure is emphasize that control structures allows developers to make a decision, repeat actions, and manage the flow of the program, making it dynamic and responsive to different inputs. This is what is control structures. Control structures is it controls the flow of the execution in a program based on the certain conditions. Next, we move on to the types of control structure. There are three types in control structures. First one is conditional statements. Next one is looping structures. Next one is jump statement. First, we move on to the conditionals. First one is conditional statements. Second one is looping structures. Third one is jump statements. First, we move on to the conditional statements. Like explaining these structures allows the program to execute different code blocked on certain condition. This is a conditional statements. Like for example, if statements, else if, else, and switch statements. These are all the come under the conditional statements. First, we move on to the if statement. The if statement as a way to execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. When we need to use the if statement means if the condition is true, we execute a block of the code. I'm taking an example to show. Let age is equals to 18. This let is the variable. Next, if age is greater than or equal to 18, print console.log you are an adult. You are an adult. This is the if condition. How it works? We need to check. Execute these. I'm taking a new terminal node variable. Save as control dot js. Node control dot js. You are an adult. If condition is true, if age is greater than or equal to 18, it is equal to 18, right? Let age, we need to take age is equal to 18. So, the age is greater than or equal to 18. It prints you are an adult. This is what if statements. If condition is true, the block of code executes. Next, I'm taking a else block. Else block, the console.log you are a teenager. You are a teenager. We need to execute this. And first, I save this program and run this. So control.js. It shows that you are an adult. In this, I make changes only greater than. We need to run this code. It's showing you are a teenager because the age is equal to 18. Age is greater than 18. It executes the you are a teenager. If age is greater than or equal to 18, it's a you are an it's print a you are an adult. It executes a, if condition is true, it executes a block of code. If condition is false, it executes a else block. That's it. If condition is true, it executes a block of code. This is the example for if condition. If when the condition is true, it executes the block of code. Next, we're taking a else if block. Else if and else. It handles the multiple conditions. Like this is the if age is equals to 18 is one condition, we need to take another conditions like using a else if. Whenever the condition multiple condition is needs, we need to take else if. If age is equal to 18, it prints the console.log you are an adult. In nested in nested loop, else if the age is less than 18, prints console.log what it prints. You are a teenager. You are a teenager. If age is equals to 13, if age is equals to 13, you are a child. It executes the block of if statement block. If age is less than 18, you are a teenager. Otherwise, it prints you are an adult. Let's it executes these statements. It shows you are a child because our age is 18. We declare age is 18. So 18 is equals to 13. Save this and run. You are a child. It executes these blocks of code. Next, else if. If age is equals to less than 18, I'm taking age is equals to 18. If age is less than or equal to 13, it prints you are a child. Otherwise, it checks a condition, another condition. If age is less than 18, you are a teenager. You are an adult. I need to execute this. The age is equal to 18. 18 is less than or equal to 13. No. So it moves to the else if. It checks the condition 18 is less than 18. No. So it executes the else. You are an adult. We need to run this code like you are an adult. You are an adult. This is the if, else if and else statements. Next, we move on to the switch statements.
If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.